Hello and welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about the equation of the circle. This is aligned to IXL geometry V3. So a circle is defined as a rounded curve whose edge is equidistant from the center. In other words, in simpler words, the distance from the center to the outside edge of the circle is the same everywhere. That's the definition of a circle. So because the distance from the center of the circle to the edge anywhere is the same at all points, we can use the distance formula to actually write the equation of the circle. So if we let r be the radius and hk be the coordinates of the center, xy be the coordinates of any point on the edge, we use the distance formula, do x minus h squared, y minus k squared, and that's going to equal our distance r squared. This is the formula, this is the equation of the circle. So to write the equation of a circle, given a circle on the coordinate plane, we need two things. We need the coordinates of the center, and then we need the length of the radius. Once we have those two things, we can write the equation of that circle. So let's try a practice question. First, let's find the coordinates of the center, hk. So if we look at this example, it's going to be right in the origin, which is going to be 0, 0. Next, we need to find our length r. So starting at the center, count towards the outer edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So r here is 6. Now let's remember the general formula of the circle, and then I'm going to fill in values here. So it's going to be x minus h is 0 squared plus y minus also 0 for k, and then r is 6. If I ever have anything minus 0, it simplifies to just be the variable squared, because 0 is really nothing. So I actually get x squared plus y squared equals 6 squared, which is 36. So this is a correct equation for my circle graphed on the right. Let's try another one. Center of the circle here is going to be hk. In this case, it's over at the point -3, 0. So I'm going to get -3, 0. And then let's figure out what r is. Starting in the middle, let's count towards the outer edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. R is 4. Now I can write my equation. X minus h, well h is -3. Minus -3 actually turns to +3. So x plus 3 squared, and then y minus 0 squared equals 4 squared. Y minus 0 will simplify to y squared, but x plus 3 will just stay as x plus 3 squared. So I've got that plus y squared equals 4 squared, which is 16. So this is my final answer. Let's try one more. Coordinate of my center, hk, is going to be at -4 and -4. So let me write that over here. And then let's determine the radius. Starting in the middle, count out 1, 2, 3. So right here is going to be 3. Now I can write my equation. X minus -4, which would be plus 4 squared. And the same thing for y. Equals 3 squared. Well, 3 squared is 9. So this is my final equation. Alright, and that's it. So now go try some practice questions on your own.